Keychain Multitool. Introducing the Keychain Multitool, the perfect companion for all of your daily adventures. This multifunction repair tool boasts a remarkable 11-inch -1 design, making it the ultimate go-to gadget for any situation. With its sleek silver finish and compact size, it effortlessly attaches to your keychain, ensuring that you are always prepared whenever a repair or task arises. One of the standout features of the Keychain Multitool is its versatility. It encompasses a wide range of functions, making it a true all-in-one solution. From nail file to bottle opener, wrench to ruler, card pin to mobile phone holder, this tool has you covered. No longer will you have to carry multiple tools or rummage around for the right one when faced with a task. The Keychain Multitool simplifies your life by consolidating all the essential tools into one convenient package, crafted with the utmost precision and durability. The Keychain Multitool is built to withstand even the toughest challenges. The sturdy materials used in its construction guarantee long-lasting performance, ensuring that it will be by your side for years to come. The attention to detail in its design showcases the brand's commitment to delivering reliable and high-quality products. One aspect of the Keychain Multitool that deserves special mention is its ergonomic design. The compact size and lightweight nature make it effortlessly portable, while the Keychain attachment ensures easy accessibility. Whether you're hiking, camping,